Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Yang terhormat Bapak Ibu Penguji, perkenalkan, nama saya Yusri Nur Fadilah, mahasiswa PPG dalam jabatan guru tertentu tahap 1 tahun 2025 dari LPTK Universitas PGRI Adibuana Surabaya dengan NIM 245374218 mata pelajaran Bahasa Inggris. Pada saat ini, saya akan melakukan ujian kinerja di SMK Satria Jakarta, mata pelajaran Bahasa Inggris dan materi naratif teks. Terima kasih. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
How are you today?
Baik.
Alhamdulillah. Okay, before we start our learning today, please Hairul Rahim come forward with your friends to pray together.
Okay friends, before we start our lesson today, let's pray together.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Raditu billahi rabba wa bil islami dina wa bil muhammadin nabiyya wa rasula. Rabbi zidna ilman warzuqna fahman. Amin.
Thank you, Hairul. Next, we will sing a song of Indonesia Raya. Salwa, please come forward.
Indonesia tanah airku, tanah tumpah darahku. Merdeka, merdeka, hiduplah Indonesia Raya.
Thank you, Salwa. We will call your name to see your presence. If you are here, say present. Alfian Kurniawan, Alila Indrianti, Aprilia, Aulia. Okay, thank you. Now I want to see your smile. So, the song. Good morning, everybody. How are you?
Yes, fine.
Good morning, everybody. How are you?
Yes, fine.
Good morning, students. Good morning, students. Good morning, everybody. How are you?
Yes, fine.
Okay, good. Okay, let's take a look to the next slide. It is learning objectives. The learning objectives, students will be able to analyze the structures of narrative text. Students will be able to differentiate the structures of narrative text. Students will be able to conclude the content of narrative text. Now I want to ask you, do you still remember our lesson in the previous meeting?
Yes, Miss. It is about simple past.
Good answer. Is there any?
Yes, it's about adjective.
Good job. It is about simple past and adjective. Now, we will learn today about narrative text. Yeah. Have you ever heard about narrative text?
Yes, Miss.
Okay. Yeah. Have you ever read about Malin Kundang? What is its moral value?
We have to be kind to our parents.
We have to be kind to our parents. Okay, let's take a look to the narrative. What is the title? The Farmer and His Sons. Read the text carefully. 1 minute ya. Okay, enough. I want to ask, what is the title of the text? The title is The Farmer and
His
Sons. What is tense used?
Simple past, Miss.
Simple past. Good job. What is the moral value Udah dapat semuanya? Sekarang Miss berikan waktu 10 menit. Read the text. Fill in the table with the verbs and adjectives. Okay, time's up. Now, what is the title? The Legend of Si Idam Racer. Kalian diminta untuk menuliskan kata kerja atau verbs dan kata sifat atau adjectives. Who wants to be representative to write down 4 persons? Come forward. Next. Okay. Thank you, Tia. Beautiful, Reza. Next. Who wants to write one table more? Thank you. Who wants to write? Thank you, Reza. Yeah. Yeah. Okay, thank you. Who has written this word? Read aloud. Required. Good. Okay, thank you, Kansa. And the next table, who has written it? Alfian. Read aloud, Alfian.
Okay.
Okay. Yes.
Prepare.
Okay.
Me.
And started. Good. Adjectives. Who has written? Read aloud. Beautiful. And famous. Who has written? Reza. Read aloud.
Surprise.
Surprise.
Hard.
Hard. Good job. Okay, you did your good job. Now, before we continue to the next activity on LKPD2, repeat after me. She sells.
She sells
Seashells
seashells
by the seashore.
by the seashore.
She sells seashells
She sells seashells
by the seashore.
by the seashore.
This group, she sells
She sells
seashells
seashells
by the
by the
seashore.
seashore.
She sells seashells
She sells seashells
by the seashore.
by the seashore.
Good. This group, she sells
Seashells
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 by the
by
seashore.
the seashore.
Next group, she sells
She sells
seashells
seashells
by the seashore.
by the seashore.
Good. She sells seashells
Seashells seashells
by the seashore.
by the seashore.
Good. Next, this group, she sells
Seashells
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 by the seashore.
by the seashore.
She sells seashells
Seashells seashells
by the seashore.
by the seashore.
Okay, together. She sells seashells
Seashells seashells
by the seashore.
by the seashore.
Repeat again. She sells seashells by the seashore.
Seashells seashells by the seashore.
Good job. Now we will go to the next task. It is group discussion. I want to give this activity. group has different title with another group. You have to discuss to answer the questions of 5. You have to discuss each other. Come on. Let me finish. 2 minutes left. Okay, time is up. Now, I want you come forward. One group, one person as a representative to present your discussion result. Can we start? Yes. The first group, please come forward.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello friends, now I would like to present our group discussion. First, the story is about the legend of Balikpapan. 2. The main characters are King Haji Muhammad, Princess Haji Tatin, and Commander Shandong. 3. The conflict that the main character have is when the Commander Shandong's boat has almost reached the bay. Suddenly, a very strong wind blows. A few moments later, a very powerful sea wave hit the boat. All the passengers become panicked. Then the boat sank. It was carried away by the ocean waves and finally crashed into a reef around the bay, causing it to break apart. None of the boat passengers survived. 4. The main character solved the problems by commemorating the incident. The bay area where the boat capsized was called Balikpapan, from the word behind and blank. Meanwhile, the reef where the boat crashed got bigger and bigger until it became an island. Until now, the island is called Tuku Island, which comes from the word toko, which is the boat crews oars that were broken when they crashed onto the reef. And the last one, we learned about appreciate each other and obey the leader.
Anyone to give comment?
We agree with the statement. Appreciate each other and obey the leader. Thank you for your attention, everyone. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam. Now, the second group, Aprilia.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay, now I'm going to present our group discussion. 1. The story is about the silver boy and the wolf. Of this voice, wolf, wolf. Then the villager.
Okay, is there any comments? Filipina, please.
In our group's opinion, the problem solved when the boys win.
Thank you, Delphina. Thank you for attention, friends. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Thank you. Next, the third group, Reni.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay, friend, I would like to present our discussion. Well, the story is about the frog always for a king.
Is there any comments?
I want to give additional statement that the moral value is also devoid when asking someone.
Okay, thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum wabarakatuh.
Give a clue. Thank you, Reni. The last group.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay, now I'm going to present our KPD result. 1. The story is about the different form of surrounding. The main character has conflict when the field they had to be divided into the school and surrounding has to area. Unity is strength.
Is there any comment?
I have an additional statement that the moral of value is also be polite when asking something. Thank you, Kate. Thank you for your all attention.
Waalaikumsalam. Thank you, David. All group has presented the group discussion result. Sekarang, Miss mau tanya, ada berapa judul tadi? 4 judul. Davina mau bagi judul apa? The Bitter Tongue. Karakternya siapa? Serunting dan Arya Tebing. Nah, nilai moral yang terkandung di dalam cerita The Bitter Tongue adalah kita kita harus menjaga ucapan. Sebelum kita mengucap kata bahkan kalimat, kita harus memikirkan apakah kata-kata itu baik atau tidak jika didengar oleh orang lain. Kelompoknya Aprilia, judulnya apa?
The Shepherd Boy and the Wolf.
The Shepherd Boy and the Wolf. Aprilia presentasi, kemudian wolf. Ya, itulah yang dikatakan oleh Shepherd Boy. Teriak serigala. Apakah ada orang-orang yang akan menolongnya? 1 kali, 2 kali. Dia coba teriak seperti itu dan dia minta pertolongan. Ternyata ada serigala beneran dan orang-orang tidak percaya. Tapi karena sudah dibohongi berapa kali? 2, dan itu yang ketiga. Ya, warganya udah gak percaya lagi sama Shepherd Boy ini. Akhirnya serigala nganterin si Shepherd Boy-nya ini, dimakanlah domba-domba. Nah, makanya kepercayaan itu mahal. Kepercayaan itu mahal. Kepercayaan itu mahal. Kepercayaan itu mahal. Sekali bohong tidak akan pernah dipercaya lagi, sekalipun itu benar. Jadikan pelajaran dari cerita itu. Kelompok yang ketiga, apa judulnya Kire?
The Legend of Balikpapan.
The Legend of Balikpapan. Siapa tokoh utamanya tadi, main karakternya?
Ki Haji Muhammad, Princess Ajitatin, dan Commander Sendong.
Iya, ada 3. Ya, ada 3. Di situ nasihat atau nilai moral yang terkandung dari legenda kota ya, Balikpapan. Balikpapan itu ternyata bukan sekedar nama, tapi ada legendanya. Tengah jalan dia menghadapi badai, tidak terselamatkan, maka dikatakanlah daerah itu sebagai Balikpapan karena banyak akan yang berserakan. Nilai moralnya apa dari cerita itu? Kita patuhi pemimpin kita karena dua-duanya baik. Kemudian ada musibah, maka dijadikanlah kenang-kenangan, tapi yang menyedihkan. Jadilah nama kota Balikpapan. The last group, what is the title, Reni?
The Frog Warriors for a King.
Iya, the frogs who wish for a king. Ada banyak katak minta sama Jupiter. Saya mau seorang raja, bukan mau menjadi raja. Hidupnya katak terlalu bebas. Mau tidur, mau makan, mau kemana-mana itu terlalu bebas sehingga dia menginginkan seorang raja. Jupiter mau ngetes dulu. The Crane didatangkan seekor bangau, dijadikan ceritanya sebagai raja oleh si Jupiter. Gimana nih kataknya? Bisa nggak punya seorang raja bagi kehidupan katak-katak itu? Ternyata nggak bisa juga. Nah, pesan moralnya apa tadi, Reni?
We learn about be sure you can be better your condition before this change.
Iya, be sure you can be better. Dari semua kelompok, presentasinya sudah bagus, good job. Let's reflect our lesson today. Okay. In your opinion, how about learning narrative text today?
Fun and enjoy, Miss.
Fun and enjoy. Good answer. What part in narrative text is easy for you?
When decide the problem of on conflict, Miss.
When decide the problem or conflict. Okay, next. What is the problem you face when you are understanding narrative text?
Feel difficult to conclude the moral value of the story, Miss.
Okay, to conclude the moral value of the narrative text. Okay, students, the discussion has ended up. Semua kelompok juga sudah bagus dalam presentasi, dalam memaparkan hasil diskusi, dan diskusinya juga bagus. Dilihat aktif semua. Ada yang sambil nulis, sambil memberikan pendapat, ada juga yang sambil menulis, sambil memikirkan, kemudian ditanyakan kepada temannya. Saat tadi diskusi juga ada yang saling mengajarkan gitu ya, pendapatnya A, pendapatnya B, seperti itu. Kemudian dijadikanlah hasil diskusi dan disajikan di dalam presentasi. Give applause for us. Karena tadi kalian sudah baca ya cerita dari berbagai macam judul yang didasari pemilihannya berdasarkan minat kalian terhadap bacaan yang telah kita lakukan di pertemuan sebelumnya. Sekarang kita samakan persepsi kita mengenai naratif teks. Let's take a look to the next slide. Okay. Definition, purpose, and social function of narrative text. Definition of narrative text is a kind of text that tells a story. Tadi ya, banyak kan cerita yang disajikan. Kalian bisa mencari semua jenis cerita, baik itu di media cetak, media internet, itu media online, itu sekarang banyak bisa kalian akses. Yang namanya cerita itu namanya teks narasi. Purpose. What is purpose of narrative text? Who wants to read? Kira.
The main purpose of a narrative text is to entertain and sometimes to inform or teach a moral lesson. It can be teach moral lesson like in fables, share personal experiences, and preserve cultural tradition and history, and entertain readers with creative plots and exciting twists.
Oke, thank you. Tujuan utama dari teks narasi untuk menghibur. Tapi di balik menghiburnya ada nilai moral yang terkandung. Next, social function. Fungsi sosialnya. Coba, Ra. Baca.
To help people connect through share stories, understand difference, play creative, and learn about values and traditional from different
Cultures. Thank you. Perspektif yang berbeda, ya, kayak misalnya di daerah ini menganut kebiasaan-kebiasaan ini, disampaikan lewat apa? Lewat cerita. Itu dari budaya yang berbeda. Next, generic structures and language features of narrative text. Ada orientation, complication, kemudian resolution and reorientation. Orientation, perkenalan, gimana cara di dalam ceritanya memperkenalkan main charactersnya, perkenalkan dulu siapa yang bakalan tadi jadi cerita. Complication, apa complication? Masalahnya diceritain. Terakhir ada resolusi, menyelesaikan masalahnya gimana si main character, menyelesaikan masalahnya gimana, itu namanya resolution. Kemudian language features, ciri-ciri kebahasaan. Kalau di previous meeting kita sudah belajar tentang simple past dan adjective. Kita lihat di narrative text apakah ada simple past dan adjective. Language features, using past tense, using adverbials of time, using adjectives, and using noun phrases. Berarti ada. Ya, number 1 and number 3. Number 1 using past tense. Ya, jadi masih ada hubungannya dengan pertemuan yang kemarin. Kemudian ada adverbials of time, keterangan waktu. Long time ago, once time ago. Tuh, ya. Itu namanya adverbials of time. Ketiga ada using adjectives, yang tadi sudah kalian maju juga kan di Ada fictional narrative, the fairy tales, fables, fantasy, or adventure stories. Ya, fictional narrative. Yang tadi kalian bahas itu, yang didiskusikan dalam kelompok, itu namanya fictional narrative. Kemudian autobiography, biography, memoir, and legend. Ada tadi yang grupnya dapat legend? Ada The Legend of Balikpapan. A traditional story passed down through generations. Nah itu, legenda adalah cerita tradisional yang diturunkan dari generasi ke generasi. Examples of narrative text. Contohnya ada A Farmer and His Sons, The Legend of Sikidam Crater, The Bitter Tongue, Malin Kundang, The Legend of Mahakam River, Snow White. Ya, itu semua tentang naratif teks. Sampai sini ada yang mau bertanya? Tidak ada. Terima kasih. Thank you for your attention. Now I want you to submit the papers to me. Okay, now you can find verbs, adjectives, adverbial times, and noun phrases. Cari language features yang tadi sudah dijelaskan. Ada kata sifat, ya, frase kata benda, dan past tense-nya. Adverbial time, adjective, and noun phrases. Bisa digaris bawahi aja. I will give you 10 minutes. Good answer. Good job. 5 minutes left. The time is up. Have you finished?
Yes.
Okay, submit the paper. Okay, you have done it well. It is the last time. So we will close our meeting by saying hamdalah.